Did you know you can repost other people's videos on TikTok? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to repost someone else's TikTok video. Now let's get started. To repost a video on TikTok, scroll through your feed until you find a video you would like to repost, or open a video from your likes or watch history that you'd like to repost. Then tap Share on the right. In the menu that appears, tap Repost. If you like, tap Add Comment to put a comment with your repost. Let your friends know what you think about the video or why you reposted it. Once you repost someone's TikTok, it will appear in your followers' feeds showing that you reposted it. It will not appear on your profile like videos you've posted yourself. Also note you cannot repost your own videos. If you want to undo reposting a video, tap the Share button on the video again. Then tap Remove Repost. That's all it takes to repost videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.